Every school morning, I have a routine to get ready. First, I wake up to the sound of my alarm clock. It can be annoying, but it's necessary to wake me up. I get out of bed and put on my slippers. Then, I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face with water and soap to feel fresh. After that, I brush my teeth using a toothbrush and toothpaste. I want to have clean teeth and fresh breath for the day. I go back to my room and pick out my school uniform. I put on my shirt, pants, and tie. It's important to look neat and tidy for school. I make sure I have everything I need in my school bag: books, notebooks, and pens. I double-check to avoid forgetting anything. Next, I head to the kitchen for breakfast. I usually have cereal with milk and a glass of juice. It gives me the energy I need for the day. When I finish eating, I put on my school shoes and tie them. I'm all set for school. My mom or dad drops me off at school, and I'm ready to learn and have a great day. That's how I get ready for school in the morning.